Soldering is a process for joining metal surfaces. In this process, the metal surfaces are heated. When solder is applied, it melts and unites with the metals to be joined. Solder, an alloy or mixture of metals, increases the mechanical strength and electrical conductivity of the joint and protects it from corrosion. In all soldering, the metal surfaces must be clean. However, if clean surfaces are simply heated, oxygen from the air unites with the metal and forms a coating. When solder is applied, it melts but merely lies on the coating. If a cleaning agent known as a flux is applied, it removes this oxide coating, permitting the solder to contact the metal. However, if the clean metal surfaces are first coated with flux and then heated, oxides do not form.